welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a baptism cake for my daughter because she just turned 8, and in our religion we are baptized at age 8. So she's being baptized, and we're very excited for her, so let's get started.
This was my daughter's choice. She wanted vanilla cake with white chocolate ganache and strawberry jam, and we have a Jell-O surprise planned. So first, I cut out a hole in the middle of the cake in a rectangle. This is supposed to resemble the baptismal font. I cut the edges on an angle. Then I filled the cake with a layer of ganache, marked the edge of the font, and filled the rest with strawberry jam. Then, I melted some white chocolate and lined the edges of the font with the chocolate. This is an important step because we will be filling it with Jell-O mixture, which is very liquid, and would be absorbed by the cake without a seal of some sort. I let the chocolate set up and filled the hole with homemade gummy bear mixture, recipe to follow. Then, I let this set up at room temperature. After it was set up, I frosted the cake with white chocolate ganache. However, this process took so long that the ganache was also set up. I probably should have heated it a bit to make it softer, but I didn't, so there were a lot of visible crumbs. Once the cake was frosted, I started on the decorations. My daughter Sabrina specifically requested it to be decorated with mermaid tails and a compass. Someone gave her a compass for her baptism, so it was very important to her. I used the German labels for north, south, east, and west. All are the same except east, which starts with an O in German. Then I placed the directions on the compass and added a hand to indicate direction. Then I pressed out her name with white fondant in this 70s styles alphabet, and I placed it along the top of the cake. Then I used this press mold to make the mermaid tail and seashells with another press mold. I also made the same forms out of pink fondant as well as blue fondant. This was exactly what my daughter asked for. It's not my best work, but Sabrina was happy, so I'm happy. Congratulations on your baptism, Sabrina. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.